Show you how I fold my fitted sheets. I'm using a toddler sheet. I first learned how to do it on the floor, so I'm going to teach you how to do it on the floor. A lot of YouTube videos do it standing up. Once you understand the technique, then you can move to standing up however you want, but this is how I first learned it. Some terminology. This right here is called a dart, this inner seam, that folds over the corner of the bed. This is the outer corner. This is the inner seam, and I'll be using those terms a lot. And then, of course, symmetrical. We'll get into how I use that idea. So anyways, there's a dart. Okay, so let's start way over here. You take one hand, put it on the outside of the outside corner on top of the dart, the very end of the dart, and then I'm going to take this inner seam and I'm going to push my hand on through. So now I can see the dart right here. I also have a nice talking hand, so you can see my hand there. I'll show you one more time. On the corner, you put your hand on the outer corner, the inner seam. You flip the inner seam on over and you push your outer corner hand on through. So your fingertips are on that dart. And then I will do the same thing over here. Unfortunately, I can only do it with one hand. So there we go. So now you can see my talking hands. Sort of. Fingertips are on the darts. Now I'm going to match these corners to those corners. And I'm going to slide my hand. First I'll take one hand and I'll slide this underneath. So I'm matching these two darts, the one that I had originally and the new one that was up here, and I put it together. So you can see both those sheets. And I will do the same here. I'll put my hand back underneath in this dart, slide it under, inside the other part, and now I feel both darts on both hands. So this has two darts, and this has two darts. And shake it out, and lay it back flat, and then put these seams together so you can see it again. We're going to do the same thing this way. Hand on the outside of these two darts now, because I have two overlapping. I slide my hand on through like that. So I'll show you one more time. Hand on top, slide on through. I'm folding the inner seam on over. So now my fingertips are touching these two darts, and then I'm going to slide it under both of these, and then so now my fingertips are on all four corners, all four darts. Then after I do that, now my goal is to make an L. So I'm going to hold on. Now my fingertips are still right here. You can see me talking. I'm going to hold on to all four darts, pinch it, shake it. And now, I know this kind of doesn't make sense right here, but what you're going to do is make this into an L. So as I shake it, you can see the inner seam right here together. And I'm going to put this together, these two round seams like this, and you fold it over like that. So you have a nice L right there. And then once you have that, now you can just fold it. And so here you go. If it gets a little crinkled, oh well. You can always kind of shake it out. Well, I shook it out and I kind of messed it up. But anyways, that's the general idea. And you fold it like that. And that is your fitted sheet.